Hello friends and welcome to another video. Today we are making tofu. This is a very unique meal for me because growing up in northern Nigeria, we call it awara, right? So the Hausa girls will make it and they'll sell it by the roadside. Guys, I used to be so crazy for this awara, like this tofu. So the one we make in Nigeria, we usually fry it, right? So over here I just bought the one already made from the supermarket. So if you want to get a tofu from the supermarket, go for the very firm one, like the very hard one. So this is organic tofu, very firm, super firm. I'll just be cutting it into smaller sizes and I'll be seasoning it. I'm not going to be frying mine. I'm going to be grilling or baking, whatever you call it. Yeah, so this is the healthier version, if you know what I mean. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you all. So let me know, have you guys ever eaten tofu? If you're an African, have you eaten tofu? If you're not an African, tell me, how much do you like tofu on a scale of 1 to 10? Let me know. Seriously guys, this meal can replace for fish or chicken. Like if you're eating and someone served you this, you would hardly know it is not meat because it's very, very tasty, very nutritious. It's also a vegetarian diet. If you're someone that doesn't want to be eating meat, you can use this as a replacement for meat. It is so delicious, trust me. Sit back and enjoy this recipe.
Fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are.
So at this point, you don't have to make the sauce spicy. Just make it as hot as you can take, right? You don't need to put extra spice. But guys, can you see how popping the color is? Can you see how attractive it looks? Oh my god. And it tasted so good and delicious. So if you've not tried tofu before, this recipe is a reminder for you to go try it and let me know. See you guys in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.